Alright, here's another interesting and very important coin to do. So it's called CDB to fund Haiti's insurance against natural hazards. And boy, does Haiti need it. The board of directors of the Caribbean Development Bank (CDB) this past Thursday approved funding for the full premium for natural hazard insurance for Haiti. The bank is providing 6.6 million US as a grant on a one-time request by the Haitian government to cover the premium of the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility Segregated Portfolio Company is the CCRIF SPC for the period of 2021 to 2022. All right, and yeah, that's a lot. That's a very big acronym. That's the best I could sound. Sorry. And it goes into state. Yeah, due to all the natural disasters Haiti keeps facing. Yeah, we need this. Right. Haiti suffered its latest disaster August this year with the occurrence of a 7.2 magnitude earthquake epicentered in the south of the peninsula close to the last case. The event resulted in 2,248 deaths while 12,763 people sustained injuries and 329 people are missing. More than 52,950 houses were destroyed and over 77,000 were damaged in the three most affected areas, Sud, Grand Anse, and Nips. In total, some 690,000 people were displaced. This event triggered the largest single payout by CCRIF SPC with a total of 40 million US. Having been a member of the CCRIF SPC, co-founded by CDB since its start in 2007, Haiti partially covered its annual insurance premium since 2018. However, the Haitian government is unable to contribute to the payment of the CCRF SPC premium this policy year due to the impact of the ongoing novel coronavirus pandemic, among other social and economic challenges. CCRF SPC has enabled CDB's borrowing member countries to purchase catastrophe risk insurance at 40-50% less than the cost they would incur had they approached insurance market individually. Haiti is ranked among the world's most hazardous-prone countries, being at risk for hurricanes, storms, floods, droughts, earthquakes, and landslides. Having been affected by numerous major disasters, Haiti has lost an estimated 2% of annual gross domestic product, averaged between 1976 and 2020, while nearly 3/4 households were economically impacted by at least one shock annually. Alright, so the rest of it, this Caribbean Development Bank is basically saying, hey, we're fund Haiti's insurance because they keep getting screwed over. Now, what I think so far, alright, it sounds nice in concept. I'm always watching where the money is going because we've had too many cases where a lot of these organizations, I'm looking at Red Cross in particular, alright, a lot of them have gone to Haiti and said, oh, we're going to help the people there, and that's not the case. Like, it was basically a finesse scam. And I'm not saying CCRF SPC is on the same tip, but again, this sounds nice in concept. I just want to make sure the money goes where it's supposed to go, and that's why, fellow Haitians, we need to kind of, the ones with good intentions, I should say, who have good character, keep an eye on this to see that money goes where it needs to go, because Haiti, their country can't catch a break. Yeah, and due to a lot of internal, external things that keep happening, yeah, the country is that not really keeps getting knocked down at every turn, and that has to stop. And so that's pretty much all I have to say. Alright, and also to all in the diaspora, let's hope that our brothers and sisters in Haiti, that things look up in the long run, because things have to get better in the long run, because that's not going to be an overnight thing. And that's pretty much all I want to say. So this is for State of Jamaica and the Caribbean. Check out my YouTube pages, Miles Gusson Farron, Miles G Productions, with thoughts and Miles. Alright.